Good morning.
And welcome to Madeira.
Again. Yeah, we can't get enough of the place. Back again, another week here. Just love it. Absolutely incredible place.
Becoming a bit of a second home of
Yeah.
ours, isn't there? But there's so much to do here.
There really is.
Yeah.
So we're starting out on a bit of a mellow one today. First day, not a great flight yesterday, late arrival, but forgotten about all of that.
Yeah.
We are heading out on Levada de Moinho, and we're heading up this barranco. You've probably seen a bit in the opening footage up here. And then we're heading back down the other side on Levada Nova. So nice little solid Levada walk to start.
Yeah, it's a beautiful one, isn't
Yeah.
it? Look at these views.
25 degrees, little bit of cloud floating around, but otherwise absolutely perfect.
Perfect.
So let's go Levada. So a lovely little stretch out from the start point. Some cracking views up ahead there. Oh, careful you don't fall in the Levada. Nearly. And the riverbed's actually looking quite dry down there. We've also got the typical sheer drops over the edge. Oh, I'm being called forward to something. What have we got? Goats. Oh, goats on the path. Levada goats. Let's go see them. So it seems like these guys are a bit more scared of us than we expected. But they're also not worried about climbing a little rock face. It's fine guys, you stay there, we'll just scooch past. We mean you no harm. That's some serious rock climbing skills you got there, dude. Oh, causing a bit of landslide there.
Cool.
Have a nice day. See you later. How about that, eh? I don't know who they belong to, but they were having a little drink from the Levada and chilling out on the rock face.
Mountain goats.
Mountain goats indeed. So we're getting further and further away from the coast, heading inland. I think sort of heading round and into this sort of elbow of the valley, but lovely, calm, quiet feel to it. It's quite humid up here as well. So we're getting deeper into the elbow of the valley, and it's becoming a bit more Jurassic Park. Nice. And now we're opening out again. You just never know what's around the next corner, do you?
It's cool, isn't it?
Stunning. Lovely little viewpoint on this corner here down into the valley. Long way off from the coast now and still heading deeper into the elbow. Long way down. So this is another one of those tight corner sections. Our path continues over there that way. We've come in this way. But look at this. We've got a little waterfall going on there. A little steppy stone bridge over here. A little river flowing down there. There's fish in there. And we've got a little stone picnic bench next to the river. That's nice, isn't it? Not quite ready for lunch yet, but if we were, that'd be nice. A glass of white, please, and some olives. Well, that was a nice little spot for a stop and a swig of water, wasn't it?
Yeah, it's a shame we're not hungry for lunch.
No, it's a bit early for lunch, but we're heading on towards the turning point where we're picking up another Levada to head back, which is sort of just over to our right a little bit. And I think there's a waterfall up here somewhere, is there? There's supposed to be.
I think so. I think you walk underneath it.
Yeah, well, let's go and see. So we've left Levada de Moinho down there and climbed probably a couple of 100 feet on these nice stone steps to meet up with Levada Nova, which is a lot more wide open with some amazing views down there. That's the riverbed we were looking at before. Our Levada was kind of down here somewhere. And we're picking up this Levada Nova, which basically, yeah, just runs parallel to Moinho, I think, but a bit higher up. But absolutely beautiful, these enormous cliffs up behind us. Views down to the fairly dry riverbed. Absolutely fantastic. Quite a different feel up here, much more open. Fantastic views. So we've rounded the corner to this immense view. Camera doesn't do it justice. You can possibly just make out down there, that's the little stone bench we were sat at before. But this elbow up in front of us, this hollow out in the rock, is absolutely stunning, isn't it? Huge. So we are now in that elbow and approaching the waterfall section, and this looks absolutely mental down here. Watch your footing. Deep in this elbow. Wow. So the Levada's continuing under our feet. No way. Fancy getting wet? Oh, slippy. Wow, I think you're going to get a little bit damp there. Now you can dodge it. Oh, that is crazy. Let's go through. Oh, nice. Wow, that's crackers. Thank you.
That's unreal.
That's mental, that, and it's straight out of the Hobbit movies, that.
Look at it.
Let's get a better view from further round. So yeah, that's been our path, coming round and underneath there. Absolutely crazy piece of landscape, that, isn't it? And then yeah, that's flowing off down into the valley. I think that heads off round this corner and through there. Unreal, that is. That sort of thing that Madeira has in spades, but always hidden away in the most secret little corners like that. But just you come around the corner and just get blown away by it.
Absolutely.
Nuts, innit? Absolutely nuts.
Wow.
So we probably hung around here a bit too long, but it's just mind-blowing, that. I mean, just look at it.
Amazing.
We knew there was a waterfall to walk behind, but we didn't know it was going to be like that.
Stunning.
And we've come around this section here, and we're now into this tunnel.
The adventure continues.
Yeah. Let's tunnel it. Not too bad as these tunnels go, not too low, quite a good path. Cool as well, and a nice breeze flowing through, isn't there?
Yeah. You see it.
There's light at the end of the tunnel. And out the other side, oh wow, look at all these cobwebs with assorted spiders living in them. What we got here? Whew. Oh nice, look at that. Just puts you in a good mood, Madeira, doesn't it? You read the descriptions of these walks in the guidebooks and you kind of think you know what's in store, but
You never are.
it's always got a surprise up its sleeve somewhere, hasn't it? Awesome. Back out to another steep drop section with railings that have fallen down. Some pretty nice views behind us. We're starting to head out of the elbow now, a little bit higher up. Care to be taken on this section. No railings and one hell of a drop. Wow. Eyes on the prize. Yeah, if you slip over there, you ain't coming back, are you? Yeah, defo liking this return route in for a Levada path. The views are unreal, aren't they? Glad there's railings around this bit as well. Some mega drops down there. You can just see the dry riverbed down in the valley. So we've got a pretty cool view from here. You can see Levada de Moinho that we've come in on all the way around this way, and then this is Levada Nova that we're on to make our way out. Awesome views. Well, we're starting to get back towards the big blue and civilization. You just see down here, that's Ponta de Sol. But what a path this is. The Levadas can vary so much, can't they? But this one is absolutely fantastic.
Yeah.
So our Levada path has eventually spat us out onto this road, which is leading us back down towards Ponta de Sol, which is where we're finishing up. And I must admit, very impressed with that one.
Yeah, that was fabulous.
Really, really enjoyed it.
That waterfall was...
That was the highlight for sure, wasn't it?
Yeah, turning the corner and seeing
Yeah.
that. Amazing.
I mean, yeah, the Levada walks can vary so much, from being sort of in a tunnel of trees to being wide open with the views down to the valley like that. But that was up high on the list, wasn't it?
Yeah,
that was really good. And not that long. I mean, it was only about, what, 6 miles, I think, something like that.
And a circular as well.
Yeah.
There's not many circular walks on Madeira.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Very good indeed. Yeah. Nice introduction, nice first day. So yeah, we're heading back down to Ponta de Sol to meet Joel and head back to the hotel. The old ritual of showers and dinner, and then back up tomorrow for another one.
Maybe a dip in the ocean.
Yeah, possibly a dip in the ocean. It would be rude not to while we're here. So, thanks very much for watching, appreciate it. And we shall see you on the next one.
Yeah.
Probably tomorrow. Ta-ta for now. See ya.